electoral commission should be sacked. You can say leadership. 2020.
Yes.
Variation of figures is diplomacy.
Yeah.
Now, I mean, common sense. Class 1 charge should know the differences. Yaya Diamanaka 9 constituencies. We are 57 point something. We are 41 point something. Near the 9 no sabe beka ho figure no percentage no and remain the same da. And remain the same da. That's the numbers of back to Abrekuma.
Yes.
The CI electoral commission the year Juman. Was say ye declaration or polling station. So one challenge near your declaration where you can't call for recount. True or false?
True.
Now, so still a month for the recount will not be done at the polling station. Ebeba collation center. Then is also no omaba be recount onukrano once.
Yeah.
Now, see a year coalition. The coalition center. The whole constituency coalition center. That's office said you challenge it before declaration.
Yeah.
You declare the party electoral commission has no business. The only authority obey my high court. High court. Now, in this case, on the 9th or 10th or whatever,
10th,
a Rebla Obe was declared as the member of parliament elect.
Yes.
Electoral commission has no business. The next step, and they say, NPP beko high court. The high court at Fishum. Was it there be Yeshumono era one winning to Cocotenafi, and that's all winning to Asune Wajuma. One just am ran out to Hodum. I share electoral commission, she say, young Ghanaians and Concoye recollation. Boom Radaso. What boom Radaso? And you declare black and white. You declare candidate you are. You cannot do anything unless you proceed to court.
Yeah.
Share? You can't say. Question. The issue no. Electoral commission garden. One can say, will be a one chance if you are on court.
Yeah.
Electoral commission will be a one chance if you are on court. You know, one court. I don't did one court. A day the verdict. A day. A buy. It's your NPP Becca say, wait here, the big entity. First question: how can you have a scan copy without original?
I don't know original.
Yes. How did you get the scan copy?
Of course, from the original.
Well, many are pardon, but my main money is Shamuna. So, Sa Kululu no. Yakwa kofa, you can't say pink sheet. Ni aye ni askane ni ato original na to baby edin na wo aye the amount ya ade ya tewo the amount. How did you scan it? Did you scan it there ya de share won sana? Did you scan it there? And a pink sheet, you know, various police stations. A Gyamfi is almost 200 police stations. You about 200 pink sheets. 200 pink sheets. So how did you scan? And then the other man would your original Nikita no. And yes, strategy. 2020, I contested for parliamentary. In fact, now you know so pink sheet in the other. I know some of these status and you know. Men are make a show. Senanka difference in the Kitwabia. Okay, a new pink sheet. I was called difference in the was oh, there be the intimate. What would you know? It's one come here. Maybe I'm getting seat, you know. What would you know? Ma yen fasa semwe nye agro.
Yeah.
Now, what tene accuse electoral commission? How? NPP before na share electoral commission omu ye papa.
Akabetu.
Hey,
akabetu. Omko ekora.
Na dey. Asama bi.
Akani.
What tene the electoral commission there, who yi the whole world omu na ye papa. Any ade. Then after there mo say electoral commission ye. Adenti. Na dey obi ni kwan say waka say wadwuma no wonye ni ya na ebe yi afiri ho. Na adwuma na do kokotra se kokoda wo so. Say obiya independent institution it doesn't mean say everyone know you're independent. No. Ghana for one say emasa de no ma. Ana ekwa fa so edi yi omufri won so no de eye clear.
Yes.
Who decided say wo tro say electoral commission what who say year wo ye was show gross incompetence. Any ade Amouti committee no muhwe mu na say eye no kra. Won be pam no. How can you set aside mra emma authority ma odi adwuma. We setting aside na wan kasa kokoye wayi. In the first place, circulation or musa kokoye recollation was wrong.
Yes. Yes.
It was wrong. Na ye nyina ye nim. Wo wa ban mu a at least wo dem so Mr. Judge we there o dem bo wa wo there no. Wo be ye case dey akwakoto na dim any ade. Sammy omadi nyina e wo hono mu a ye de ye. Enti da me meka nyina ne say.
Okay.
Me that the whole entire result should be cancelled for a fresh elections in the constituency. Na enkoye 19, enkoye 3, enkoye 40 something in the kakeka ho. Na ki a cancelling na you see the whole constituency musa nkonkoto no foforo. No makokoto no foforo. Okay. Na ka asumbiaba because emranu me wo musa say infractions no be ba na say na tia e say to be cancel no moto no foforo.
But mo feel the candidate on.
That say we no enye ye open to people to contest.
Okay.
Between two.
Okay.
The two na we say me na ma win no omo na media I have seen a video yama Rabna Obin ensa I declare no
and this one the man is also an
returning officer
the producer some video no say ubenya maye no beboa
there be o share emra na dey adwuma Ghana ha
yes
NPP for the pick and choose what you say ye ba beto ye be ye James be declaration presidential what's in aka 9 constituencies
yes
ye de ni nyina akra Mahamadu Bawumia still John Mahama wa wini and go ahead no Bawumia got 41 point something percent anameboa
yes
ye de 9 ni nyina be kan ho na omo ye no no wanya 38.2 NDC for kasa ye kan say NPP for kasa they want to stay in the first one 41%. Omura fi say ye de yi ni nyina be kan ho 276 ye kan say constituencies no omunya 38.2 wo boss wa na omo fi
but omo gazette 41.75
oh gazette no how many constituencies?
276.
It cannot be possible. And the people here no abong
electoral commission
by law. Yeah, first one 57 point something, 41.7. Now we deny Abeka who next figures in every remedy the same one no abong.
No, but that is the gazette.
Please. I didn't add the voice to media and I said no can say electoral commission should be sacked. You can say leadership. What do you say?
Yes.
But can say that maybe I make be possible because none of them our case hopes mama wants the contract. None of them. It may come in through. Share. Yes, Akufo Addo no high train 17,000 BBB
pounds per hour
anambwa abradi e kana semi when him say one of the birthday or chat a private jet that's a some people penifo gumu mo mu di birthday no owiem ai
sa
o mu di no owiem
de menimu
mo ai producer mo here bi anam video no mu ni a de metima hwehwa mamo o mu di no owiem for say this is NPP birthday. At time who video na am say kai ago ibenya problem o birthday atata Freddy Blade on board do one move big ways e go private jet mo di birthday city we setting bebe for mo na mo ya the day birthday ya cheta private jet this is the man we are talking about.
I see.
Kwame despite one was what the fighter Ibrahim Mahama. What was what the Yakwa Gyamfi said me birthday da. Say do abongo. What was what
Ibrahim Mahama the man concession the biggest ever in this country.
So one Akwa Gyamfi.
Ayo
Ibrahim Mahama worked as a business worked as a businessman under Akufo to get the biggest in Liberia everywhere.
And in 6 months, Wasanya the biggest concession ever in this country.
I don't want to prepare.
Akufo Addo, you got to say ambulance
NPP for say great time too harsh.
Meba ho. Eti me intitia aba me matibi. They say tax evasion, money laundering, and the rest. When you pick on money laundering alone, it's a serious crime. Because Ghana, United Nations, Commonwealth, no ally, whatever group we are, you. Now, some group no monitor every country. What can I say? Money laundering pass up to some few years. I know muye free red the about yellow you so when you know. Eti say koso dia esisa ban e manani eyede e koso. Like overshadi a move ebia $100 million na babeto account mu. Yen say business we no waye waseni sade we na ye tua woka aba ene ne kai ka ho ni nyina no erezi alarm. Nansa na omo be work on it no. Now there is a flag, a red flag from somewhere. Maybe a country na ye move say sika no so no. Maybe omo raise red flag. E no ne baba abanso so akom ahwehwem. So on there no. It is anyoma we nyina akoso. Now, say 48 hours as say otiminya be ni ne ka ho no. Ano no there it's neither here nor there. Yadoko police station, Yadoko Yoko, BNI, any other. Now do 1 hour, yes, you are more pay. Now you hear ensure we box obako and know the bear obey conditions. What the bar, coffee. That's one man for box number. Would the 100 this? Emrebian for moyo. Institution for Mumrebia. Many workers say Hannah has been given a bail. Now, bail na yamono. Maybe. Senior,
what's the one year demand?
Anything. Me person use the correct term tina me you know. Me person use the word crime. No mum senior situation it here at the crowd wa ye no. TNT and they be omubeka say oh ye hear sad we. Nipa na wo dey ban because they don't want him to escape. Say wo be jinam now decide no ba no escape ani aso mu. Wa hu dey je no. Eti number 2. Say you see a fighting corruption there, and you see a pre-romance when it comes to corruption and corruption-related issues. And you see a pre-romance one. As you say, you had no be able to say, hey, Sadi way said to me, and you say, what na? Let me start this war threatening your baby mubia. It's neither here nor there. We are all coming together to fight corruption. That's what I'm saying.
Then you see, any Yoku. Should let the whole thing be free and fair, no discrimination. Other than that, you will memu and a jelly your mammy said Natamaku. You will go and buy. You I'm coming. So you have all the security protocol to fail to do it. No, Richard, I'm coming. Richard, relax. I'm saying, they should be free and fair. I am NPP were not ready to fight corruption. Again, we are not ready. Because if we were ready, to be there. Now, what will come here? I will share prosecution. I say, yeah. Well, Koswa, no, yes, or Kwakoshen, who are and then court permitted her. I will call you. When Timama back, but still now your sentence. Yes. Now, being Menkan is all yes, smart too, said you, Wako country, Wamono, Enya, and Yakat is Interpol. Yeah. How do you get him? Get
How do you get it? I don't know. I get different case altogether. Your sentence no sir. All right. Sadina do club hand there. NDC government will arrest her. So basically to arrest no.
Richard say. Richard can be say.
The last way.
Richard say. Wakra emoa asay aba. Any action. Obiso craft fertilizer aba asay aba. And that shiny pan I'm free.
Ya di asebno.
More the kind of discrimination. Richard, when you didn't have push on, Mr. Asante, when you didn't have push on, message.
Very important. I want you to take this message to the president or anyone who is concerned. Atiwa West, NDC Mudisi, you know, they should fire him with immediate effect. Their involvement in galamsey activities in Atiwa West. Say, who jive sa papa no manetna ho. The way I met fire NDC Okrum has. The way I met fire NDC Okrum has. That NDC. Someone fire no.
Aye, Hopeson Adorye, yaw. Mame point
yes, sir.
Yes, and I Nigeria for Yes. Power to the people. Yeni etihane yeni o mic no.
Nidi kai mame enkai bibi free Bible.
Aha you.
Zechariah chapter 2 verse 8.
Okay, Zechariah. Okay.
Chapter 2 verse 8. Was it for that says the Lord of hosts. After glory, he has sent me against the nations which plunder you. For he who touches you touches the apple of his eyes.
Wow.
So for he who touches Hopeson,
that's right.
touches the eyes, the apple of the. For he who touches Empress, touches the apple of his eyes.
Wow.
Look, nobody.
Wow.
On this earth.
Born by a woman.
Obetibaka say, what many Empress are worrying. Nobody on this earth. From me. That's why I'm reading this. Zechariah 2:8.
And Cabrete only a diamond in
nobody. On this earth. I'll bet you Maka say, well, no, Edina no Eguma warrior. In 2018. Nobody.
Na sani etini wi ase.
Andi babu? Yamko. Ayinam dia to no. Zechariah 2:8. Obianka bi. Na fa ho hyem. Sa what touch Hopeson, what touch the apple of God's eyes.
Like David said to the Lord.
What touch Empress, what touch the apple of God's eyes.
I am too to ask you this question and your answer.
Answer. Yeah, ask the question.
The Daya Kosuani Pitri. And it said, Mami Munene was some dear do, but Diama Mamia Koda Abayan Kuku Minya somewhere, Efa Momodiano. Na Obeka Bibia Fadia Abe now, and I say, Obemana, I say, Krua, Opese Parawo.
Yes, Christo can. Was a Betumia. Or crew in Parawo. That's
right.
I don't want to comment on it. You ever commented?
Not just a Hopeson case in Nam Kwemoba. Appear biblical, then no more course. Their judge in the kind they say, no, young Kofa my minimum on the 30th. Now, you need on share my minimum on the judgment, Timra. And appear biblical, so a quarter baby. Hopeson dear no so etato and also so eba. Near baby and him fan of my new folks. Food for thought. Yeah. On the front of galamsey, a lot of cost. So far, we evaluation, we report our members as a security person.
Oh, I can say so far so good.
Yeah.
What you say abanshi share or the economy and CP the but what you say the enthusiasm and everything.
That's right.
But I'm going to open this show and a topic with a focus on Atiwa West. Honorable Amakofibua, the Wutie program here.
Densely populated mining site.
Notice of that. Office of the President. Atiwa West. Na when you say aban any abre or person was subsidy.
Yeah.
Minerals Commission Muntie. Aye tax force are more round Muntie. The DCE of Atiwa West is deeply involved in galamsey. And government must take action immediately. Me say, the DCE of Atiwa West, current NDC DCE is deeply involved. I am saying this because I want the government to succeed in this galamsey. Sure. Akwabi ni namo omu freno Kweku Ofori. Wani namo no one running errands Emma DCE no.
Oh.
The first day I make sure on Facebook to say it must be very cautious of the activity. They are going to be deal matem on Facebook no. Now I can tell you say look, I will take this crusade until government take action. I did the yesi. Adame now what you want to know what him say task force no kwa no Africa no my yeah na man force some machines everyone's a task force na go do on. And do you want your government to succeed? Ya de bra brese abayi beto aso kakra ma manfo bi atena fie asua nyansa kakra so ma baba mu o baba ya sa to aban na kwakoto fie. What do you mean by that? What do you mean? You know, I didn't ekoso no de enya de a ye be yi. Look, hwe ma me kasem bi enchro. Me kasem mi nso na me gon.
Yeah.
Hwe woko Atiwa West wa ye frɛ krobi achemu akwaboso achemu akwaboso woko wa krono cemetery it's just about 30 meters no more cemetery ni nyina mu
hey
na when na kromo mrantia ne mbaba wa sorry said that be ampene that DC akwakofro mu nyina akọ no akomo 5,000 say allow them to work. What kind of nonsense and stupidity? Why? Hey. Why? And people are there working. They are JJ, you can't say, daily engineer de bro. Look, you must stop that. President Mahama, Mr. Abu, we are this in Wutia. Let the president get to know of this.
Papa.
Akufo Addo trust him and this is in the MC follow don't sit down for them to do that.
Yeah.
Look at the worker Amakofibua
yeah.
Look. So the level of a year what put in a year easy
and supported by the IGP.
Supported by IGP.
Yeah.
Now what you want to mudi in some phone. That is this Kennedy area. A 3 months over day.
Yes.
A 3 months by a day. Galamsey statue of Kromayene. Yet not no person why your Galamsey are what would this kind of devastation happen?
This is on the large scale.
No one your opportunity just to go and build and help the people. Look at his and what you want to moody. I have singled him out because look, I am doing a lot of this but singled out because of an errand boy no my friend Ofori ne kwasi asembra wodi wo hono. Me name one Kennedy Agyapong numre. That catch no class me ba program is one monitor.
That's right.
I am going to lead him. What do omo onum? You better take you by surprise or one gasa be hu.
Hey, yo, you serious so but I just say nipa say just remember look Kwaku it undermines President Mohammed's
Asemna Ebano. She ene abrantie miaminua yakumi nyankopon fa ne crazy. O tu kwanya kwaba no pay o na kuma ya di so serious essence onunko. Wa free mu ya. Wa free mu ya. Look, enuane kra wo mo edi free sa areas o mu ye galamsey di ba kra. Yes sir, eduaba bebre. Enundro ya wura ye nuade mu. Your life expectancy. See, eba bedru say. Ya nhwe ye ho no ma na fe life expectancy na ba bedru 30 years. 30 years. 30 crados. You work for just 1 year 30 years. Na uko.
No on my human capacity no be nam nie.
Na ye yeti ha say. Ni ye so sansam fu we so because nipa ba ko peboto muti. Why? Look, tomorrow I will go to Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources. Mekwa official complaint. I'm a minister. You should go to Atiwa West and investigate what I'm saying. Sammy Bwana say, Mokwa say, I can't say, I can't say, I call Boaso, I call them. Some metre now or more a true galamsey. I'm ranching sorry. Why the floor of 5,000 or Munya Momunya man?
Really?
Why the floor of Mama was I don't know. Now the movies are more bodam see.
Can you imagine?
Let us protect the country
and resources.
Now what you are saying this in Abanti. Share. For once I'm free hodumoko kra. For once I'm free hodumoko. Quiet this in 4 fast so by ya teacher who percentage near 0.0000.
Atiwa West National Security for Hanabisu Muntie Niepa. This is exclusive. Yes, I can't say as far as Hopeson is concerned. Of course, this is like something Hopeson can attest to say it's currently ongoing. And I think that one person like Hanabisu is doing great.
And me na sansem funo mudi hodumo ubeti matem. Why did you cause people to call me? Sammy pull those down. Now I should have mercy on you. I didn't like ho. Na mudi hodum matem. What bodam? What you move? They say me take it time. But I may take it time. I'll go to the ministry, I'll go to NIB, I'll go to National Security.
Yeah.
What time do you want to
So he's a current DC now. Atiwa West. Wow. Surprising.
And one military guy, or tax force, yes, you can't say, wonya liver, say, and no DDT. No, cemetery or no more. Hey, my friend.
Is that cemetery needs to save? And I'm cemetery. Jesus Christ. Cemetery na
30 meters. No more room. I don't know if
and let's just say the dead cannot rest. Oh, yeah.
What better than arrest? What better than arrest?
What do you mean?
So. What I am saying
what is going on, Ghanaians?
The government of Ghana, under the leadership of President John Dramani Mahama, under the leadership of
Justice for the Dead,
Minister of Lands and Natural Resources, Mr. Look, set examples. Set examples. This year, you are the president representative there. President's vision is let's bring galamsey down. Ethiopia wasn't ready to do that, you know. Kick him off and then give way to another person. Obeti mayesa jumano. Shekana yensa sini yensu obebi adru. Na ye ka moti wanu msi den mona muwanu. Me kroma se Kwaku Annan. Obie ni hwa na no odense mi o.
Yeah.
But a Tróuble idea, no way you dinner will hear your baby. Etina make kind of quotation, kind. Me, what come in a man? I have a plan for
That's
you.
That's right.
That's
a plan B.
What coming? Who did matamu yese? Namamuawa. I have a plan B for you.
The Tompe.
Mayedi. 2 months back to back. Mayedi, Makamizaje was say. Eje Gigrao. No. Me, that's me. Me say NPP party put together, they couldn't silence me. Now we share refrain for being munya dia. Say me hope say, please. Kwachina sam review. Kwachina sam review. I don't know dear, it will not work. what I am saying is let us build a country.
Exactly.
Nyankopon ye yadom na wo ma ye nkwa tentina. Yatima di nkwa agye ho.
Ni ye di emre so se de epe no.
Wo kondo ye ka de say mankani. Kwaku tobi. Wo di afede ni na no ani nansa. Yesi wanya debe wanya seso enso. Adi de kai ka. Now because he say ndubone a ye de yesa galamsey. Chese yadua akọ aduane no mu amayen. Adentia. What the oka say oh, me meeting kan yen two galamsey nje en fa oboa. Kroma. Engra haje. Me say enuade bi wo hodo mu aye di ne nkra ha. Every galamsey area.
Site ho. Yeah.
Etu oka say aha na wo tinti en fa wo ho a oboa. E fa wo ho pa. So let's come together and then work. Now, back to the effort of
BCU.
Hannah BCU.
Yeah.
You say or MD or CEO for Minerals
Development Fund.
Good. On only the end there, in office work. Any other, say, Bibia etimi koso. But what taking extra responsibility and I say wako extra man.
Okay.
Say obeko further. Further there. To be frank with you, we share the line of duties in India. Na gasa further no, enkenka no. But we volunteer.
Yeah.
Say obey sade no. Eti se wo ya esese ye boda baso. Say what ma ye. Ma ye muna bam.
Yeah.
Gongo Ghana wo pedie wo nwrom ho de kakeka. Ma ye muna bam.
Yes.
What the office air condition mu dia de no wo ye. No. Wo manage fan no. Eti adwuma no enye eyi biasa eti o decide say oh me time a me de better condition mu me ko ni na mu nwura mu hodom na ye yi at least that group no mo ko o mo presence no aye bibi kakra what you say eti say ye ka de say Minerals Commission for team bi so free hodom no wona mu we mu na ha no mu na mu say ya at least say ye betimi a fight this be mebo na baso ewo akwanya otu ye anase kwanya anamo otu ye no mebo na baso wo ho se okokoye sa the only year antimanko ye and say excavators on boko chichi adechi na chese ni nyina ayire fi
no so we refute ene da hai
we refute one look
o say enye ne preba
nim say police for operations bi wo asankraga honum akunta mining area minimum omoche excavators baako 94 ayigu ayi asankragwa honum baby so on there no how to break them na kwakoye problem you need you can say low bed you here be 50 no mark 50 to go be have come 2 now from what I heard 94 no mu yi free sa forest no mu no still excavators
Hopeson
me say Ghana, are we serious as a country now? You say forest menwura forest and now they also chinchina will be
rem.
We need a tougher approach. What you say? Tougher approach. Said the beya amba amount for attract amount for so munya de. That many former CEO of Forestry Commission. That there were these issues in there.
Yeah.
What's he saying? Said you can solve it. Just
simple be
30 minutes bio.
We the forest nim na ma ekra
government at Ghana Armed Forces mun take over Air Force of fly or helicopters there. You started
drones.
You started spray a forest because a hono ye no go area. And say will be a wura.
Yes.
Animals best ebiana akunkumu mwadi. Ono so dey confer say dey be fufu ati.
Yeah.
So no. But say they are not doing it. Why? Because that impenifobia and the chef forest no more.
Security experts for say me yes sir.
Impenifobia and the chef forest no more. Wo companies wo na fa nkwala akoshem ana omutu. Etu o ka se enkonko spray ho no a omo nye. Wamunye excavator si ube kom na ye mpenifo bi dia. Oh yan hye da bi munya abotre me yan hye no. eno ne ye no eno ne ye ne
to control boss nyai
first time Akufo Addo ma omo she excavators. So the whole nation and rally behind that action. And I don't know no, excavator Bakubo, and Yadikito. What Toyashino, what Toyashino, Obe
it will demoralize them.
Obe Jaito.
Yeah.
And that Ghana for you anymore. Ghana. Yeah. Fight, I don't know. What take it off a year, or never best of one. That's hey, I didn't know about where this are. Any other. And you won't your Ghana for your future. President Mahamadu what ye 1 year a year what it is you can't say in Shishaya ba na dollar suiti once I'm going say na adena o ma de no conforms na yes yes so ye
and also if you say can so ho asemo
if you say ye disika ba Ghana grana ye ba besisa na kwakwa ye President Mama ye mpesa eni nega ye person ba from them on my asitram ye man no ba for no amam for problem
yeah hey enti ase oti ase
we China kwatro so hey eti ye be ye den Ghana ye be ye den
so now your president na cha be ho
oh brother
yeah
Gogu me say sagaram say
imagine
yes you say koko lady 1 month 1 month.
You come on. No, how about tea?
Take action, sir. Ebema nipakra empese omubeko.
That's right.
Because what I want to say, we are woman rights activists. I didn't watch you more bono in the Kaika Hono. Who have? It's on the line. Who have is on the line. Look at the number of the volume of a allowance say obode Ghana water for
the chlorine
baby a drum na office the papa so no
dangerous
why the work from how what you numunsu how many times can you import you can say in Sofia brutally how many times the whole world country to go to pa China. Do you know that? China is number one. Number one.
Can you imagine?
Omo tupa. So China is your wujina hwa. Wo from say ya hu wanim.
Bet me ase bia no.
Hu wanim. Madam fu bia wo ya adwuma wo US. Oh, wo ya kan say
Colorado.
Oh, Colorado but wo ya adwuma wo me refi.
Okay.
Me refi kronidi. Look. Last even no affirm video call. I am mining company.
Me who be this?
Omu two gold. Anu ojina nsi ho. Awurade. Me hu ni shadow e wo nsuo na ase.
Wo nsuo nu.
Me hu ni shadow wo nsuo nu ase.
Bro mu ye adwuma no.
Wo mu ye adwuma no. Nsuo ba kokura nse ye. Kwaku before the can dey say yemfa dey say from 2008 na excavators ni you can say your forest mu
no
uko forest mu hu excavator baby abehu excavator na your big money company
yeah kwan so a road construction abehu excavator
where it started from nankasa I cannot get it but I know for sure say need him but before say NPP a free power I'm not blaming only NPP. NDC one, there were a lot of excavators in the NPP buy increasing more. NDC asamba, and then the ekase, moment increase ya, ya ni mubenya problem. Kwaku, me say, I was part of the voice of change.
Sure.
Change in Abano, SSC
exactly. Me know what you're agreeing.
I am a member of Movement for Change. Major NDC member. But once a movement for change, we were part of the change. Now, your leader, Kojo Kyeremanteng, said, I didn't want to be Ato Monje, na Munyibi, na Mufamu Maino. We will continue to defend them and defend them and defend them.
Exactly.
But that doesn't mean, say, Muya Diana Papa, your best friend. We are not going to spare you. We are not going to spare you. Until on this galamsey issue, no. Say ye kase bibi say na kwaso na say mu bu money go so a ye ni mu benya problem
you must be part of the change
ye ni mu benya problem Eti Hanabisu to continue doing whatever is doing. Excavators, you know, are buying and taking decision now.
Yeah.
Yachi excavators, you know. Yachi ya no.
Good.
What forfeit it? Una no one the excavator. Abeya buying there.
That's right.
Now, how are we going to give it to various assemblies? Mamu fa ma assembly ko mu ye galamsey and ye too good e wo area ho.
Yeah.
What would you tell me? Omo fa ko me region or voter region ho ye too good.
Voter someone to go.
Ye too good. Mo fa ko voter region. Mo fa mra Greater Accra region. Mo fa ko the northern region baby ye too good.
Eastern region.
Hey.
Yeah.
Tróuble otchere. Eti ye hwe regions na ye ntu bunu isiru mu ho no mu ne ade adesa no. Na mo achecha akoho. Na samresi no wo mo di dwidwi wo the reshaping of roads alone is enough for Ghana for. It's enough for Ghana for. Ni ajiga ko wonu mu a wo bo se ni o hwe so no kululu wo be hwe na mienu ayira eno no enyina ntamu ba ko be yira ene ewo mu a be ya na otwe na mienu ayira na ewo mu sa afe bedi busu mi esa mbako hodum a machine na ewa hi wasi ya haya na ewo nsi edim baby efa ye mesre abai take a decision on this mo chi ade ne pe aba be ye Ghana de look na say ya gold board omo ye kan say task force ebowura mu hwe gold omo kwachiche
yeah
na hwe sika puduo say sika ni nyina ni gold ni na be ya abai dia this is how we should do it. Yes, men say wakoye ya chi ye da no wo fancy won podo obi abe pa chewo immediately Botro district ni dia go hu ne de ko ye de bad district na mudi ya kwan na wo on to you now dia farmer bi so di kwakọ ekululu aye so mu ani afire enye se ye fire keke ye do kwakọ gira court ye di wasem ne ye kokọ da even in some 1 month the next person will not do that.
Strict measures.
Person will not do that.
Strict measures.
So, President Mahama, I am behind you. I am begging you. Make sure, say, measures Saudi be go up I beg the 10 to continue this.
Yeah. Great.
Yeah, this idea. Yeah, market time, sir.
Sure.
Yeah, bedroom, you say, oh, you're fighting better than you. It should not be so.
Great.
It should not be so.
Folks, Ebena Ebekra, many another information, another site, Binzua, Amanfu Diagro, say, the site name no Ecomok Pit, close to Future Global Realizers, FJR Mining Company, Bogoso, or Honsu say, cruise bia Omaye or disguise or Mose, Omaye military operatives from Jubilee House, and then 2 BN military officers Echo Kantawum, and almost they are coming from Jubilee House. But we are monitoring the situation closely. Near Australia, and Yoma Echo. I
know. Say, Crado. Last, men Parliament anyone who Amago. I mean, oh, now Matisse says, no, I don't know. Omo Yase, Omube, Komujina boom. Now you're coordinated. It is a district where now Nipa free military, way free police, way free that. Omujina but together, then they work as a team.
Yeah.
Then say. Team away from military no more na police for handing the kai ka no what's more and the guy is doing marvelously well. I think say with time no sa nyoma we nyina be okay.
Okay. Good folks.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.